Hi everyone, I hope you are having a good day today and welcome back to my another video. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update iPhone 6s, 7, 7 Plus and 8 to iOS 16. Big news for all iPhone users, especially for iOS 15 users that want to update the iPhone to iOS 16. Disclaimer, before try these tips, make sure you have jailbreak your iPhone, or you can check my another video how to jailbreak your iPhone. You can check the link on description. Okay, if your iPhone status is jailbroken, you can download this trick for update your iPhone. First is XeWall. You can add iOS 16 features lock screen depth effect on your old iPhone. The second is gestures. You can add newer iPhone gestures such as iPhone X or later with this tweak. The third is Ampere. You can add iOS 16 style battery to your old iPhone. And the last is live activities. You can add live activities on some apps on your lock screen. Okay, I will try activate this tweak on my old iPhone. And here you can see the difference. I have converted my old iPhone like iOS 16 features. For XeWall, you can change the wallpaper to add depth effect like iOS 16. Open Photos and select the photo. Change the wallpaper. Activate. If you have any tweaks to complete the iOS 16 style, please comment on this video. I will try to install it on my old devices. I will update the tweak if you have any recommendation. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more updates and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.